Assalamualaikum to all my KG1 diamonds. Alright, for today's lessons, Teacher Zati will give you a holiday homework, okay? I hope everybody still remember the letter sound, the actions, the song. Alright? Remember, every letter sound has their own stories and actions. Very good. Okay, for today, we're going to learn about what letter sound. You still remember? Teacher Zati will introduce the new letter sound. Everybody follow. What letter sound is this? This one is good. Everybody follow. Ah, ah, ah. In class, Teacher Zati always asks you about that. Why the action is like that? Why the action is ah, ah, ah? Can someone tell Teacher Zati why? I know Ryan can answer Teacher Zati, and everybody can answer Teacher Zati. Why? The action is ah, ah, ah. Can someone answer Teacher Zati? Who still remember Teacher Zati's story? I hope everybody still remember, okay? Teacher Zati will tell you one more time, okay? This is the story about a family are going on a picnic. And the children are helped to pack some. Still remember to pack some? What is this? It's an apples. Apples also begins with ah, ah, ah. Good. And then, at the picnic, one of the girl named Amanda felt something tickling her. And then, suddenly she saw an... What is that? She saw an ants. Very good. And ants are crawling up on her arms. Good. And then, she wants to remove the ants from going up to her arms. And she said, ah, ah, ah. Very good. Everybody, come and follow Teacher Zati. Ah, ah, ah. Good. Alright. Now, can we sing the song together? Who still remember the song? I hope everybody still remember the song. The song is ah, ah, ants on my arms. Ah, ah. Ants on my arms, ah, ah. Ants on my arms that causing me alarm. Good. Now, everybody, look here. This is the correct one on how to write the letter in a correct letter formations, okay? Alright, everybody, look here. Teacher Zati always asks you to do this in class. Where we start? Did we start from the bottom here? From down here? No. We start from the from the top. Everything must start from the top. You start from the top. You go around. And then go where? You go up. Good. And then you go down in the same line. Big or small tail? Small tail. Good. That is how you write an ah, ah, ah. Very good. Everybody, I need you to write your letter formations in the correct letter formations, alright? Okay, now I need help from parents to prepare a book or a paper for you kids to do this exercise. But before that, remember, what day is today? Today is the 6 days of the week. Today is Saturday. Saturday begins with good. Today is Saturday. Don't forget to do the days today. Actually, when I were in class, I will ask you to copy from the pot, the days. Okay, and don't forget your name. I know everyone know how to write their name already. Don't forget to write down your name on the top of your book, okay, or your paper. All right, for this one, I need help from parents to do the letter A. This is the apples, this is the leaf. Once you're done, ask your kids to color this one, okay? And for this one, I need your help again one more time to do the letter A for your kids. And ask your kids to finish these lines, all right? Okay, I think that's all for today. Happy holiday, guys, and stay safe, all right? I love you guys. Bye.